This is here. This is your future, right? Drones they're not going anywhere. The mayor loves drones, right? He loves new technology, innovation for New York City. So, guys like us, like myself, my team, which I love to death, we embrace it and now we bring it down to the community so we can have tons of kids doing this. They could be mini-me's or do better than me. Or it could be my competition. I don't care. I just want them to actually just be sustainable in New York City.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into the PropsClear podcast. I'm your host, Jillian Angeline. We're talking all about drones and about improving public perception surrounding the unmanned aircraft industry. We're taking the show outside of the virtual studio this week and into the classroom. I'm here at the HART High School in Queens, New York, a magnet school, and we're here at the after-school drone certification program. So fasten your seatbelts and let's get started.
We are gonna have to repair this drone. A lot of schools throw these things out. I don't know why, all right? But we, my company, what we do, we rebuild these. This is very easy.
This is Sergeant Tony Reid, co-founder of Drone Cadets, which integrates drone programs into schools.
Anyone had a guard issue?
Reid's work as a corrections officer with incarcerated teens for 8 years at Rikers Island in New York City led him down this path. He wanted to help students envision a bright future ahead with the drone industry as the North Star.
It's definitely a dream come true, first of all, right? What I love about it is that, in the beginning it was really, really hard, right? Because when drones first came out, they were looked at as toys, right? Where now they're used as tools. So to be able to get that proof of concept across to many ears, really is, one, it warms my heart, and then two, to see the amount of kids that really gravitate toward it helps out a whole lot. Because we're a company that we tell it as we see it. So as being a drone pilot, I actually got to be in the field and now I could bring it back to the classroom and they could see it for themselves. And now we can actually have these spaces here, schools, they love it. And now we can actually bring it to them. It's all about exposure for me. So even if they don't want to become a drone pilot, at least they know that, hey, this community is embracing it. On top of that, there are tons of careers, tons of opportunities that they can be part of.
So not only are we college ready, we're career ready.
Meet Assistant Principal Anna Ragabeer at HART, which stands for Health, Arts, Robotics, and Technology. These students are part of STEM in the South, coming from different schools in South Queens every Tuesday and Thursday after school for the drone certification program.
Definitely exciting, especially when you see the students are working. The drones are flying, it's hands-on. They're using technology.
The sessions have two parts. The first, classroom instruction, where Mike Johnson with Drone Lecture helps students prepare for the FAA's Part 107 drone license test.
Or B, location of precipitation along with type, intensity, and cell movement of precipitation. Or C, large areas of low ceilings and fall. Alex, what do you say?
It's about taking the information, learning how to dissect the question and find the root of what they want to know. Because, as you know, the exam is very direct and very intentional. And I keep giving them the reinforcement that do not overthink this. Once you answer, you keep it simple, and once you answer, do not go back and change your answer.
The second part of the twice-weekly classes, interactive activities like building and flying drones and learning how to solder too.
It's good to learn new things, especially with technology, because there's lots of uses for this type of stuff.
Now what they're doing behind me is working on the soldering boards, and these practice boards allow them to learn the importance of conducting electricity. Soldering boards will conduct electricity on the drone from the battery to places like the camera and the propellers.
It's amazing. It's a great draw for our students. And so our school philosophy is what will engage our students. And being that we know students are tech savvy, they're always looking into their phones and devices and the like. And we know just the direction is going towards robotics and artificial intelligence. So it only made sense for us to be able to create an atmosphere where they will thrive in.
HART High School principal Kayode Ayatiwa and his team told me some exciting news. In the fall, they're planning to implement a drone course directly into the curriculum for seniors. Students will study to attain their drone license in the first part of the program, and focus on taking their knowledge to the workforce in the second.
So they're going to be now using their certification to gain hands-on experience, hopefully get paid for it, which is exciting, and build more opportunities where they can also get into the job force as well.
So one of the things I want to do is employ my students to be hired by other schools. You know, we do like senior pictures, senior yearbooks, or over aerial views of campuses. You can hire our students, and you know they can get a job with citywide schools and go over there, do the yearbook picture for the school and whatever else, and get paid for it. So we have a business enterprise model as well.
This ecosystem, a powerful example of giving the next generation tools and confidence to excel in the growing UAS industry.
When I walk by and I see the joy on their faces, I know it's all worth it.
If you have questions for our guests or ideas for future episodes, contact me, angelswings.jillian@gmail.com. That's ANGELSWINGS.JILLIAN@gmail.com. I'll see you later.